Hola, mi nombre es Mary J.B. Encaliado, and I am enthusiastic ESL teacher with a passion of helping students improve their English language. I have been teaching in English in 6 years in a public high school in the Department of Education here in the Philippines. And of course, I'm working with learners with various ages and cultural backgrounds. I specialize in engaging interactive lessons, focusing on building confidence in speaking, listening, reading, and writing. My teaching approach is student centered because I've used differentiated instructions, and of course, I adapt my methods to match the individual needs and goals of my students. I hold a degree in the Bachelor of Education major in English, and I have my Master's of Education major in English. And of course, I have developed a strong understanding on how to teach English based on my experiences. And whether my students are preparing for exams, aiming to improve their conversational fluency in English, or focusing on business communication, I enjoy seeing them succeed and grow. In my classroom, I encourage also a positive and supportive learning environment where students feel comfortable and making mistakes and learning, and I also learn from them. I believe language learning is not just about vocabulary and grammar, but it's about cultural exchange, building connections, and achieving personal or professional growth. When I'm not in teaching, I'm doing my hobbies like reading books, playing sports, or singing, dancing, and of course, I love traveling and learning new languages, and of course, playing chess, which helps me connect with my students on a personal level. I'm also a coach, and I've been a club advisor, a chess club advisor in our school. I look forward to helping students achieving their language goals and gain confidence in using English in real world situations, especially in our oral communication class. I let my